Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of testosterone boosters. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance performance, or just curious about ways to boost energy and vitality, testosterone boosters may have caught your attention. Let's explore some of the best options available. First up, there's D-aspartic acid, often abbreviated as DAA. This naturally occurring amino acid can play a role in increasing testosterone levels by stimulating the brain to release hormones that can promote testosterone production. Studies suggest it can increase levels significantly in short cycles, making it a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. Next, consider fenugreek, an herbal ingredient common in many cuisines around the world. Fenugreek has compounds that may help to boost testosterone levels, improve strength, and even enhance sexual function. As a versatile ingredient, it also offers a range of health benefits, like improved digestion. Then we have zinc, a mineral that's crucial for producing testosterone. Many diets can lack this essential nutrient, leading to lower natural testosterone levels. Supplementing with zinc has been shown to dramatically increase testosterone production in those with deficiencies, making it a must-have in your testosterone-boosting regimen. Another noteworthy option is ashwagandha. This ancient Ayurvedic herb has gained popularity for its ability to lower stress and anxiety, which can help to maintain healthy testosterone levels. Moreover, research indicates that ashwagandha can improve muscle mass and strength, earning it a spot on our list. Let's not forget vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. It doesn't just support bone and immune health, it's also crucial for testosterone production. Ensuring you get enough sunlight or supplementing with vitamin D can significantly impact your testosterone levels. Finally, Tribulus terrestris. This plant has been used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years. While some studies have shown mixed results, others suggest it might help to boost testosterone, especially in individuals with certain health challenges. Before you consider integrating these boosters into your routine, it's important to consult your healthcare provider to ensure they're right for you. The world of testosterone boosters is vast and diverse, offering numerous options tailored to different needs. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content on health and wellness. Take care, and see you in the next video.